Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture we will discuss about chapter 4, that is sorting materials into groups. In the previous lectures we had discussed about different objects present in our surroundings, and if we start separating them depending on various type of uses and also depending upon various type of criteria, so we will get different type of things. Then we discussed about why do we need classification and what are the advantage of classification. So after that we discussed about how one object is made up of different type of materials, or a combination of materials, or maybe one material is used to make several type of objects. Now today we will discuss that whenever we are making an object, we have to consider the property of the material which we use to make that object, and also the purpose or the use of the material or the object for which we are making the object. Suppose take the example of a glass. So we are making a glass for what purpose? To drink water, to keep water, or to keep any liquid at a place. So if we make a tumbler, or sorry, if we make a glass with a cloth or with a paper, then it will not going to help us. So we have to use a material which can hold water. So glass, or you can say fiber, plastic, wood, these are the materials we use to make a glass. So we have to consider the property of the material when we are using a material to make an object. So today in this video lecture we will discuss about the properties of different materials. So the materials normally we use in our daily life, they have some common properties. Like today we'll discuss about appearance. Appearance means how a thing or how a material, if we observe it from outside, it will show. Suppose if you observe a plastic, it has a different type of appearance. If you observe a metal like iron, copper, aluminium, they have their differences among each other. But steel, iron, copper and aluminium have some similarities. But plastic and wood, or plastic, wood and metals, they don't have very, or you can say a lot of similarities. They are different from each other. They are different from each other. Now the next character we will discuss about is hardness. But before that, we'll perform an activity, that we gather some objects and try to cut it or try to scratch it with something like a key and try to scratch it. So some materials we can scratch easily, or some materials which we can cut easily, but there are some materials which we cannot cut easily. So there are the differences of hardness and softness, and also there are differences among appearances. Like metals are normally shiny. If you cut a metal or scratch a metal, you will see that they are shiny, and the word used for this shiny property is luster, or the metals are lustrous. And they are also hard. If you try to press the metal with your fingers, you are not able to do that. So that is a hard material. And there are some soft materials like sponge, paper, cloths are there. So they are what? Soft material. If you press them with the finger, you are able to press them. But there are some things which you are not able to press them. They are called hard material. So among this hardness, lustrous, softness, shiny property, there are some other properties also. Like metals are ductile. You can prepare wire from them. Metals are malleable. You can prepare sheets by the metals. Metals are sonorous. If you hit the metal with a hard object, they will produce a special type of sound that is called sonorous. There are some materials, they are brittle. If you hit that material with some hard object, it will break into pieces. So these are the some other characters of metals. Like appearance, they are shiny, they are hard, they are not very soft, they are ductile, you can prepare wire from that, they are malleable, you can prepare sheets from that, they are sonorous. When you hit a metal with a hard object, it will produce a different type of sound. And there are some materials which are brittle. If you hit it hard, it will break into pieces. So these are the some properties of metals. I hope you are all able to understand today's topic. We will discuss some more properties of material in our next video lecture. Have a great day, class. Be safe at home. Thank you.